Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off adaptive brightness. You need to begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Display. Following that, just tap on this switcher next to adaptive brightness to switch it on or off. If you want to, you can also go into Tap menu. Tap on those three dots located on brightness slider. Manage adaptive brightness the same way, but this time hit Done to save your changes. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!